next day it is Thursday. I think it's Thursday. I'm just getting ready to head out. I think I filmed what I did last night. I went to the Paulina Russo show, which was really fun. I really loved the show. I think it's probably one of my favorite shows. Loved the music. I loved all the like balloons. Yeah, I thought it was really great. So I did that last night. I went back after, but it was actually quite late. Like it was already nearly 10 o'clock by the time I got back. So I stayed up so long just trying to edit. And then this morning I slept in for a bit, and now I've just got myself ready and I'm heading out to, there's a presentation I want to see because it finishes today. So I'm going to go see that first, and then I might go and stand outside a show just because I really enjoy seeing like everyone arrive. It's really fun. So I'm going to do that, and then later on today I'm going to, there's an event in the Irish Embassy and a few of the girls I'm traveling with are showing their work at that. Yeah, so that's the plan for tonight. And it's always great just to have a plan, just for a little bit of structure. Yeah, so I'll show you what I'm wearing. I've got on the fleece that I made. I had this on last night and it's nice and warm. I have like a polo neck on under. And then I have on the skirt and jeans. I'll turn you around in a minute and show you. And I've got on some fun rings. And I think I'm gonna wear these sunglasses. Yep. Eyeshadow is just like silvery for today. Okay. Again, ignore the fact that we're in a bathroom. It's just the best light going. So I have on the jeans, some boots, and a skirt. I'll show you the bag I'm bringing as well. Actually, I'll bring that in. Okay, then I'm going with my side bag just because it's really handy for my key rings, and my star bag with an umbrella and some gloves and stuff in it just in case. Yeah, that's the look for today. Show you again outside. So it's a little bit later. I have just been running around everywhere, and I'm just going back to the hotel to change. I'm going to an event now in the Irish Embassy, which is lovely. So I'm going to change my outfit, even though I'm so warm and comfy in this. But yeah, running back, I've literally got like 15 minutes, then have to jump on some kind of transport and get there. So yeah, I will show you what I'm wearing once I get back. Hi, once again, like a 2-minute turnaround. I have on this dress. I have on these kind of gold sparkly tights, and I have my boots on. I was going to wear long ones, but I just can't be asked. A hat and silver eyeshadow, and now we are heading to the embassy. Hopefully you can hear me because the wind is quite strong, but just on my way now to the embassy. The light is so nice, it's like just before it turns dark. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get some video and show you what it's like. It's to celebrate St. Bridget's Day, 1st of February. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, so it's the last day. Well, I'm flying home tomorrow, but today's the last day of the fashion week. Today I'm going to go, there's no shows on, but I'm going to go to all the different events that are kind of on around, like the showrooms, and see what that's like. So I'll show you what I'm wearing for today. I have on this thrifted hat you've seen so many times now, ASOS glasses. Actually, let me put you here. It's easier. This scarf that my mum crocheted for me. Just layering of lots of necklaces. They're my rings. And I have on, over here, I have my skirt on, same tights that I had on the other day. These really fun gammy socks that I got. And yeah, so that is today's look.
So after I went to the new talent showroom, I then made my way out to the Bella Centre to see the CIF Festival, or the Copenhagen International Fashion Fair. Unfortunately, when I got there, it was already finished. I thought it finished at 4, but it actually finished at 2, so everyone was packing up. But I thought I'd still include the footage because the venue was so big, and yeah, it was actually amazing to see how many different brands were showing, and there were like rooms full of just fashion, and then accessories, kids wear, swimwear, like just everything. It was so big. But yeah, hopefully next time I visit Copenhagen it'll be open when I see it. But yeah, I just thought I would walk around to show you how long it actually took me. Okay, so it's a lot later in the day, and I've been to check out the International Fair, which was actually closed when I got there, annoyingly. It was supposed to it said on the website finished at 4, but it finished at 2. So when I got there everyone was packing up, but still good to see the size of it. Now I'm heading to the Stina Goya shop and the Gani shop, and then I think I'm gonna go home because I've been walking around for ages, and I'm gonna sit down. So let's do that and I'll show you. I tried on a good few bits in the shop, none of which I was going to be able to afford, but it was still lovely to see what they looked like on, and they're so cute. Yeah, I love all the fabrics. I think they're so pretty. Yeah, and then afterwards I had a little bit of time left before I had to leave, so I decided to fit in some vintage or thrifting or charity shopping, and I wish I had left more time because there was so much to see. I could have kept going for hours. This is just one of the shops that I went into, and everything was half price. I don't know if that's how it is all the time, but I tried on lots of really nice stuff. I ended up just getting the skirt with the kind of like gold tulle in it. I think it's going to be really nice for layering with because it's kind of sheer. Yeah, I really liked this knitted vest as well, but I ended up leaving it because I didn't really like the fit on me. But yeah, that's going to be it for my Copenhagen vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll be back soon. I'd love to go back. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.